Welcome back. Now, in the last creation, we actually used as an example a document from Notebook LM in order to create the document in ChatGPT, which really isn't a full valid way to make a comparison of what you're creating in ChatGPT. So in this particular case, what we're going to do is we're going to make sure to create a study guide entirely of the information in the 21 transcripts. We're going to go ahead and tell ChatGPT what we want is to include a short answer, essay, and answer key. And ChatGPT will undertake the creation. What we then want to do is we want to output the study guide into a document in Microsoft Word already formatted. And our document is now formatted. One of the things that you will notice about this quiz is that we have targeted to a specific audience. In ChatGPT, this is something that we can do. This is something that would be difficult to do in Notebook LM to create a written document. We can target the creation of the audio. However, the targeting of the written documents are easier to do inside of ChatGPT. Okay, so for that, thanks, and I will see you in another video.